Hi everyone! Are you thinking about starting an online business but honestly you have no idea what to sell or where to start? Well, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. I used to feel exactly the same. I had no product, no experience, no clue about tech stuff, and zero background in business. But here's the good news. You don't need to create your own product. You don't need to buy or hold any inventory. And you don't need to bug your friends and family. But the best part, you don't even have to sell anything directly. We use an automated system that connects you to the digital products na hinahanap na talaga ng tao. People are already looking for them. And we apply something called attraction marketing, where the right people are drawn to you. You just follow our proven step-by-step training, same system used by thousands of people earning 5 to 6 figures monthly. If you're curious and you're ready to explore something different, visit my website www.susanpaigalan.com. I'll be here to guide you. Let's create a business that fits your life, not the other way around. See you then. Bye.